Part 1. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. If you've ever been intrigued by the idea of leverage trading in crypto, feel overwhelmed or worried about the risks, this video is for you. Leverage trading can multiply your gains, but it can also wipe out your portfolio in minutes if you're not careful. Today, I'll break down how leverage trading works, the risks involved, and most importantly, how to trade strategically without losing everything. Stay tuned because I'll also share essential tools like ByBit, TradingView, and 3 commas to make leverage trading more manageable and less risky. Let's dive in. Part 2. What is leverage trading? Leverage trading is a strategy that allows you to borrow funds to trade with more capital than you actually own. For example, with 10x leverage, you can trade $10,000 worth of crypto with only $1,000 in your account. The upside: leverage amplifies your profits. A 5% gain on a 10x leverage trade is effectively a 50% return. The downside: it also amplifies your losses. A 5% drop can liquidate your position, meaning you lose everything in that trade. Pro tip: never use more leverage than you can afford to lose. Start small, like 2x or 3x leverage, to get comfortable with the mechanics. Part 3. The risks of leverage trading. While leverage can be exciting, it's important to understand the risks before jumping in. Liquidation: if the price moves against your position, you risk losing your entire investment. Overtrading: leverage can tempt you to make impulsive trades, which often leads to losses. Emotional pressure: watching leverage trades move quickly can lead to emotional decisions, like panic selling or doubling down. Risk management tip: always set a stop loss to limit your downside, and never risk more than 1 to 2% of your portfolio on a single trade. Part 4. Strategies to trade safely with leverage. Understand market trends. Use tools like TradingView for advanced charting and technical analysis to identify strong entry and exit points. Start with a demo account. Platforms like ByBit offer demo trading, so you can practice leverage trading without risking real money. Set a clear plan. Before entering a trade, define your profit target, stop loss, and how much leverage you'll use. Stick to the plan no matter what happens. Use risk management tools. Platforms like 3 commas allow you to automate stop losses, take profits, and trailing stops, ensuring you don't lose more than intended. Part 5. Tools to simplify and manage leverage trading. Here are some essential tools to make leverage trading more efficient and less risky. ByBit, a leading platform for leverage trading. It offers features like isolated and cross-margin trading, as well as a demo account to practice. TradingView, perfect for analyzing market trends with advanced charting tools and indicators. 3 commas, an automation tool that lets you manage trades with smart features like trailing stop loss and take profit bots. These tools can help you trade smarter, not harder, and reduce the emotional stress of leverage trading. Part 6. Common mistakes to avoid. To trade successfully with leverage, you need to avoid these common pitfalls. Using too much leverage. Higher leverage equals higher risk. Stick to a lower multiplier like 3x or 5x. Trading without a plan. Always define your entry, exit, and risk before placing a trade. Overtrading. Avoid trading constantly just because leverage is available. Patience is key. Leverage trading can be a powerful tool for growing your portfolio, but only if you approach it with the right mindset and strategies. Focus on learning, managing your risks, and using the right tools to avoid costly mistakes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Check out the description for links to all the tools I mentioned, as well as other videos on this channel to take your crypto knowledge to the next level. Thanks for watching.